I'm Trevor Clark from General RV. I'm here to give you a first look at the brand new East to West Entrada 2200S. To start out, we're going to talk about the chassis that this beautiful Entrada is based on. It's on an E350 chassis with the very powerful 7.3 liter Godzilla V8 engine. As we continue on up, the Entrada features a one-piece, fully molded fiberglass front cap. To complement that one-piece molded fiberglass front cap, the Entrada includes a one-piece die-core die-flex roof membrane with a 12-year limited warranty. A nice feature that the Entrada is going to give you is 2-inch thick sidewalls, and unlike the industry standard of backing them with wood luan, Entrada is going to use a composite man-made material, lightweight, known as Azdel. Does not absorb water, so you will see no delamination down the road. The Entrada is going to give you slide-out toppers. The nice thing with this is when you're at that campsite in the middle of the woods and you get debris, pine cones, pine needles that are going to fall on top of your slide-out, no need to get that broom out. When you close this slide-out, that slide topper is going to keep all the debris off the top of the slide-out for you. The Entrada is going to feature an integrated step system. No extra steps hanging down below that will limit you on your next adventure. Sturdy and solid, safe for everyone. The Entrada is going to include a backup camera standard. This allows you to see if you're towing that boat, that vehicle, or anything else behind you while you're traveling. To complement that backup camera, down here you'll notice you also have side cameras here. The beautiful thing with those side cameras is as soon as you hit that turn signal, you're going to get a side view down the side of the coach. Know if you have anything in your blind spots to avoid any accidents while on your next adventure. When you're ready to take your Entrada truly off-grid, this unit comes standard solar prepped. You can add solar panels up there down the road to make this fully an off-grid vehicle. The Entrada features a beautiful 14-foot electric awning. When you get that storm at night, instead of coming out manually retracting that, you can have the ease of hitting a button, bringing that awning in. Also includes a beautiful LED light strip so you can enjoy the awning at any time of the night. As we walk inside of the beautiful Entrada, first thing we'll notice is a beautiful 40-inch TV. Most people are always looking for that extra storage in their RV. The Entrada features full extension ball bearing drawers under not only one, but both dinettes. Perfect place for towels, sheets, bedding, even those extra snacks you bring along with you. Moving into the kitchen, we'll first come up to the 1.3 cubic foot residential style convection microwave. Complement that, you have a 3-burner cooktop, allow you to cook any of your favorite camp meals on your next trip. To clean up all those dishes, you have a residential style kitchen sprayer, makes cleanup easy while you're camping. We come to this beautiful 10.7 cubic foot 12-volt refrigerator. The beautiful thing with this is no longer having to run with propane on while you're driving down the road. This will stay cold right off your house batteries. If you're like me, I always forget my phone charger when I go camping. In the Entrada, you have a touchless, cordless cell phone charger that will keep your phone charged while you're camping. Moving into the bedroom here in the Entrada, you notice we have a nice walk-around queen-size bed with his and her cup holders, along with plenty of overhead storage. And the nice feature over on this side, we have a perfect place for those campers who have a CPAP machine. USB charging and outlets, along with a nice handy storage drawer. Once again, I'm Trevor Clark from General RV. I appreciate you taking the time to take a first look at the East to West Entrada 2200S. For more information on this unit, please visit generalrv.com or one of our 13 locations across the country. Thank you.